beautiful and amazing people, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm back again. If you are just stopping by for the very first time, I am your girl Forever Young 20, a happy mother of 3 beautiful kids, a happy wife, and a skincare lover who is on a budget. On this channel, we do skincare videos. We love to glow our skin, but we don't like to break the bank. Please, if you're interested in things like that, subscribe to this channel. Check out our other videos because we do reviews on skincare products as well. We try different brands and we come out here to tell you what we think about it. That is to say, me. I come out here to tell you what I think about it. If you're interested in things like that, please subscribe and become part of this family. I'm back again with another exciting video. Very, very exciting. If you haven't tried any video on this channel, try this one. If you don't try this one, I bet you in about 4-5 months time you will be regretting. Do you know why? Because you will find a lot of people will be coming back to say, oh, this worked, oh, this. Do I even say in 5 months? I just say 5 months because I know maybe this channel would have gone to another level by that time. But if you try this recipe, I'm giving you 2 weeks, you're gonna start seeing results. 2 weeks, you're gonna start seeing results. Now it's possible to treat stretch marks. It is absolutely possible to like reduce the appearance of your stretch marks. Like, it's possible. It's not just possible, but it's possible to do that even with DIY, homemade products from your kitchen. Yes, it's possible. We are going to be making a stretch mark oil. Please just try this oil, and please, now I'm begging you from my heart, if you try this oil, leave a review, talk about it. When you try it, come below and leave a review. I'm going to be making use of 4 ingredients, and among these 4 ingredients we have 3 that you're going to find in your kitchen. This is orange, this is lemon, and we're going to be using a base oil. I'll show you when we go to my workstation. And the other thing you will be needing is this bow oil. This is the only thing that is not found in your kitchen, and you can get this. But now, if you can't lay your hand on this, it's okay. It's okay. You'll still get fairly good results. But if you want to take this to another level, this recipe to another level, go get this. Let's get into my workstation. Let me tell you what to do. This is our orange. I have washed this orange. Make sure you're working with organic orange. I've washed this orange, and I'm going to be removing just the zest. Just the zest. And I've also washed my lemon. Lemon is full of so many antioxidants. It can lighten your skin. This is going to help diminish the appearance of stretch marks. It's going to brighten your skin, lighten that stretch mark, and it's going to tone and like basically become like your skin. So I'm going to get the zest of this too, and I will be back. So guys, we have, this is my zest here. My camera is not picking it up. A little bit down. That's my orange. You might want to grate yours. Just grate it to get just the zest, even though I went ahead and sliced, because sometimes when I'm trying to grate I cut my hand. The next ingredient we will be adding for this recipe is aloe vera. This is going to help do the job as well. So I'm cutting the skin. I want just the gel, just the aloe vera gel. So I'm removing the skin and getting just this area that has the gel. Then I'm gonna be chopping this into bits. Yes, I'll chop this into bits, and then this is it. Chopping it into tiny bits, and then we're gonna be putting everything in this container that I'm gonna show you. This is it. Chop into bits like this, tiny bits, as tiny as you can. Yes, that is it. Please make sure you just try this at home. Try this, guys. I don't know, I have told you, I said if you don't try it in about 6 weeks time, or even 2 weeks time, anybody who tries it today, 2 weeks from now, I'm expecting to see a result. Try it. Almost every woman got stretch marks somewhere they are struggling with. So just try it. Try it and let me know. The next thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to put this everything in this container and go to the next step. Putting everything in here. Everything. I mean everything. The aloe vera gel, the zest, orange zest and lemon zest. Put everything in here. Please try this at home. I don't know. The next thing we want to add is olive oil. Olive oil is good in skin brightening as well. Add olive oil into it until it covers the you add olive oil until it covers the zest or the ingredients that are in here. Add olive oil. Get these ingredients, my people. Everything you see here, go get it. It's possible to get it. Go get it. It's a little bit challenging to bring out the oil. Yeah. Put in your oil. Then we are going to be doing a double boiler method. When you put in this oil, I'm going to tell you what to do. Just put your pot on the fire, put water inside, and then we're going to be putting in this bottle. Good, I've had enough. So that is it. This oil is going to work like magic. Like, I don't know what I can really say, but I wish you can just go try it. Just try it, guys. This is our ingredients. Please, this is our pot on the fire. This is our water is inside. Don't come and ask me if you can use coconut oil, if you can use almond oil. Please do well to get olive oil, because this is what I've tried and it has worked. If you ask me if you can use any other oil, I'll just tell you go and try. So I'm going to be stepping this. I brought this water to boil. This water is boiling. I'm going to let this sit in this water for 30 good minutes. Make sure you put your water in the pot, let it boil. Let this sit for 30 good minutes on boil. If you think the water is drying, like it's going down so fast, you can warm water maybe from the water boiler and add it there. Let it boil for 30 good minutes, then we will be back. And I forgot to let you know, guys, make sure the lid is not so tight. Make sure it's not so tight, because you don't want this to evaporate and cause any sort of accident. So make sure it's not so tight, just like this, so you don't get vapor enter into it. Let it sit for 30 minutes, please. Yes, guys, we boiled our ingredients, double boiled it, not boiled. We double boiled it for 30 good minutes, and this is what we have. This is our stretch mark oil. This is very effective, packed filled with antioxidants, vitamin C, lightening ingredients that are just going to lighten up those stretch marks. I bet you try this, and from 2 weeks latest, you are going to start seeing visible results. From 1 week you start seeing results, and from 2 weeks you see visible results. So I strained it, and these are the leftovers. I'm going to trash this. Of course, when you're straining this, you want to make sure you don't get water into this. You really want to do your best to not get water added into it. And now this is the last ingredient we're going to be adding into this oil. This is bio oil. If you know this, pregnant women to use this for stretch marks. Get the original, it works. So we're going to be adding this into our DIY oil. I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of this into our DIY oil. Yes, my God, you are going to get just now, depending on how much oil you have, depending on how much DIY oil you have, you can go ahead and add 2 teaspoons to 3 teaspoons. I have about 90 ml of DIY oil in here. 90 ml. See, it's very thick, very concentrated. This is super concentrated. Please make sure you try this. I told you, I said if you don't try this, I bet you in a few months time you will be regretting, when others will be coming out here to give their testimonies. I mean, others who have not even found this channel yet. So if you are my subscriber, go and do this. This is a bonus for you. Do it. I'm giving it to you from my heart to you. Get this recipe, do it, and come back and leave your testimony. I like to hear you come back to say it works or it didn't work. Let me know as well. So that was it for this video. Make sure you try this, and I will see you in my next video. Please subscribe. So I'm going to be putting this in my bottle. So Sorry. I'm going to be putting this in my bottle. This works like wow. Oh my god, I can't rave enough about this particular recipe. It works like wow, guys. Go and do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Give it to friends to try. This can be a very good business deal for you. Go and do it. And if you think you cannot do it yourself, hit me up and I'll do it for you and send it to you. You pay me for it. See you in my next video. Bye bye. So this is our stretch mark oil. Very effective. What you want to do is apply this oil 2 times in a day at least. You just put it on your hand. You just put it on your hand. I have a dropper here. This is going to make life hard for me. Put it on your hand and massage it where you have the stretch marks. Massage it. Even if your stretch marks are as old as what, this thing is going to help you. It's going to help you. Massage it very well. You want to do this 2 times in a day. If you have time to do it 3 times, good, but 2 times is just practical. Get up in the morning when you take your shower, massage it. Take some 5 minutes or 3 minutes to massage it very well to the affected areas. In the night before going to bed, after taking your shower, massage it very well. Like, guys, try this. And please, if you try this, don't keep the credit to yourself. Come give your comment. Leave your comment. Let us see you. Let us know you are actually using these recipes. And I'm so excited about this oil. So please, guys, I can't rave enough about it. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay beautiful, and please subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed to this channel yet. And God bless you.